She pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work, strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl, dance, do your dance, girl, dance. Is it me and you, or is you with your friends, girl?
Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again you guys for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Today's recipe is going to be for a healthy delicious soup that you can whip up in no time. We're going to go ahead and make a wonderful Tuscan bean soup. So these are the ingredients we will be using today to make this wonderful and flavorful soup that you can make anytime. It's actually vegetarian friendly and it's perfect for dipping. So hopefully you guys are ready for today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Share this video out. Appreciate that. And if you haven't subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and the bell to be notified of every time I drop a new video. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so here is the Tuscan bean soup. It's a white bean soup with kale that is simple and quick to make. It has a little bit of zing and spice, but it's mellow. It's full of that kale. We've got the white beans, carrots, celery, and onion. It's packed full of flavor and it's vegetarian as well. It's perfect for any time. It's vibrant and fresh and definitely a soup that you will want to give a try. So hopefully you guys did enjoy today's recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you've ever tried Tuscan bean soup before. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you still haven't subscribed, please go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell to be notified of every time I drop a new video. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye, guys.
What is happening to me?